Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we've got exciting news. The new Mirka Galaxy range, which is now available in any PPG or ProTech distributor. As you can see, we've got the different sizes, the 77mm, the 150mm, 70mm roll block paper, and the 115mm roll block paper. The advantage of these block roll papers is that they are perforated, which means you drag out the size that you want, tear it off, and put it on whatever block size you are using. Once again, the holes are great for when you're using the vacuum systems. This helps reduce the amount of skews and amount of paper that you have in your workshop. Over here are the 150mm discs for every typical sanding. And like all good Mirka paper, they've got multi-holes, making it easy to put on any sanding disc for the suction feds. Over here, we've got the 77mm. Once again, perforated for vacuum use, easy dustless extractions, as well as a range that goes all the way up to help you with your polishing in those smaller areas. This great range is now available at any PPG and ProTech distributor.